DocuSign e-signature for Microsoft Dynamics 365 allows you to sign documents and send documents for signature directly from Dynamics. Merge Field simplifies the sending process by automatically importing data from Dynamics into a DocuSign template so that fields are pre-populated, eliminating the need for manual data entry by the sender or the recipient. To use Merge Fields, Step 1, create a DocuSign template. Step 2, configure a custom process. And Step 3, send the envelope. Let's take a look at an example. Step 1 is to create the DocuSign template. Here we have an NDA template with one role, the signer. On the template, I have a number of text fields. Each field has its own data label, which I will use later in Dynamics to reference each field. Step 2 is to create a custom process in Dynamics. Go to Settings, Processes, New. Add a process name. For category, select Action. Select the entity type to apply to this custom process. In this example, we'll use the account entity. You'll see your process name at the top. The unique name has been automatically prepended with the new underscore. First step here is to create 3 process arguments: envelope URL, type string, not required, direction output. 2 is entity name, type string, required, direction input. 3 is entity ID, type string, required, direction input. After this, you can begin to create the custom workflow. In this example, I will create a workflow that calls my DocuSign template, adds the account primary contact as the recipient assigned to the signer role, and then merge data from Dynamics into the DocuSign template to pre-populate the template fields. Step 1, scroll to the DocuSign integration and select Create Envelope. Add a description and click Set Properties. Add a subject and message if you like. Copy and paste the template ID from DocuSign into the template ID field. You can find the template ID in DocuSign under Templates. Select the template, hover over Template ID on the top right, and click Copy. Step 2, select Add Recipient. In Set Properties, look for the output of the Create Envelope stage. For name, I'm going to add the name of the primary contact on the account. Email, I'll add the email of the primary contact. For role, this is the DocuSign template role name. In this case, it's signer. Routing order is optional. In this case, I only have one recipient, so we'll leave it blank. Next step is merge fields. I'm going to select merge multiple fields to map data in a single step. First, I select the output of the create envelope step. Recipient ID, select the output of the add recipient step. Tag label 1 is the name of the DocuSign field. Value 1 is the Dynamics field I want to read and write to my DocuSign field. I continue this process for the remainder of my fields. After I've mapped my merge field data, the next step is Get Signatures. For envelope, I select the output of the Create Envelope step. I'm going to set one-click send to false. If it was true, the envelope will be sent right away within Dynamics. In my case, I want to review before sending. I'll choose the Prepare screen as the landing page in DocuSign to review my envelope before sending. The final step in our custom process is the envelope URL. Go to Add Steps, Assign Value, click Set Properties, and assign the value as the output of Get Signatures envelope URL. Once this is done, save and activate your process. You've now set up the custom process. Now it's time for Step 3, which is send the envelope. Navigate to the entry in Dynamics. In the top right, click the Kebab menu, Send to DocuSign, and select the custom process. The envelope will be created and you'll be taken to DocuSign. In this example, the primary contact from the account has been added. My email subject and message have been pre-populated. Looking at the document, I see that the data was successfully merged in from Dynamics. I can now click Send, and off it goes. Dynamics merge fields simplify the sending and signing process by reducing manual, error-prone, and time-consuming data entry. For any questions or feedback, reach out to msftteam@docusign.com. Thanks for watching.